Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one, breast screening program, took one of our staff nearly a whole year to do, as it is a highly complicated dataset. The source data files are an absolute nightmare. Feel free to go to the website and have a look yourself. Here you can see the list of tables, 24 tables, and the description, so please go ahead and pause the video if you want to have a quick read of that. But you can see there's a big range of datasets there. There's only 55,000 rows, so that might not seem like an awful lot, but it is. It goes back to 1999, and there's a hell of a lot of measures in amongst all these tables. To keep the video short, I've just queried 3 random tables. Coverage by local authority, so you can see the 3 measures there, and screened by outcome, and test status and coverage. But as you can see, if you go back to the list, there's also by region and by strategic health authority, all kinds of stuff. So please get a free trial license and have a play. Thanks.